Hi, Dad.
Hello, Peter.
Dad, where's Mom?
I think she is in kitchen.
See Mom there. I have seen everywhere. She is not here.
Oh, I remember, she had told me that she would go to market. She might have left. Call her up.
Dad, where's your mobile? I can't find it.
Seema, you were playing game on mobile, weren't you? Where is it?
I had kept it here only.
But it's not here.
Probably I had put it there in the kitchen. Let me check.
Yeah, it's here.
Now you call.
Hello, Mom, have you left for market?
No, honey, I am at the neighbor's home. Auntie is preparing for her son's birthday. It is to be celebrated in the evening today. I am helping her. Any problem?
Actually, I could not find the watch.
Underneath the pillow. Don't you remember yesterday when Seema was playing with it? I had hidden.
Oh yes, I remember now. Okay, Mom. I hang up.
Peter, tell the dad, I am coming in 5 minutes. We will have breakfast then.
Okay, Mom, bye. Dad, Mom is coming in 5 minutes. She is with neighbor Auntie.
Okay, that's fine.